Sophie? Are we ready for this? Yeah. It's our very first trip into Ikea. Can we do this? I don't know.
5 minutes to Fergie. 5 minutes to Fergie.
Yeah, we're in here like 5 minutes and Kate's dead. We're now lost in the middle of the mess. We've made it to the rugs. And Sophie wants to go to sleep on the sheepskin rugs. 18 bucks for this rug, and it's big. It's 5 foot by 7 foot and some inches. That would look cute. Definitely getting these collection things for 10 bucks. Once I can support plant life again, we are totally getting all these succulents. They're so cute. Check it out, guys. These are 75 cents each veggie dogs. So excited. And the ice cream's $1. So they closed down the food place that's in the middle of Ikea, and now we just sort of sit outside because there's no place to sit. Hey to you.
Shot.
Happy birthday, dear Anna.
Shot.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. You did such a big girl job, Sophia. Bring it over here. You want
Yes, you can have one.
Go take one.
So we don't have a beach, guys. We've got White River. This is called White River. And Sophia is busy throwing rocks into White River. Whoa, Jesse, are you gonna touch him? Here he comes. We're at the zoo today. And we're starting to get a little brave. The gloves are off. And we might actually end up touching one of the sharks or the stingrays. I don't know. We'll see. There's another one! Oh, Sophie's getting brave. Oh, maybe not. Do you like saying hi? Do you like saying hi to the penguins? Oh, they're so fast. Oh, here he comes. Friendly. Are you scared? He is pretty big. If you're going to be scared about something, I guess. There's another one. Ooh. Did you say hi to the tiger?
Yes, 2 tigers.
Oh my goodness, 2 tigers. Jesse. Oh. Go. Sophia, what are you doing? So, it's Black Friday, which if you're not an American, it means the day after Thanksgiving that there's lots of sales and stuff. So, let's see. We're at the mall. I call this the rich people mall. What is it? Keystone of the Crossing Fashion Mall. All decorated for Christmas. We got our couple massage for our anniversary. It's not our anniversary, but we didn't have time till now. So this is when we did it. Happy Black Friday.
I'm gonna bring him out right now because this is
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
the size of a couple things. So this is gonna be something.
Hiding behind
It's
it.
actually gonna have oh him. I'm sorry.
It's a reindeer.
I love that.
This is my friend Clarice. Everybody say hi, Clarice.
Hi, Clarice.
And Clarice is.
Oh.
I'll tell you guys what. Let me tell you a little bit.
Wow, she's
She
touching
can
the
fly if we
reindeer.
give her the magic horn.
Would you like to touch her too? Okay. She's so soft.
Super soft, right?
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
She's so amazing.
Subscribe, stay with us forever, and let us know that you want to do it. And please subscribe to our channel.